This is the R36 Ultra. Costs about 36 bucks plus shipping. But I installed the latest version of ARKOS. It was released July 6th, so it's brand new. So you can Google just about everything, but I'm gonna do a quick video. That bottom round button is a reset, like if you get stuck in a game or it freezes up like a computer. But at the top, you can see it's a power button. So just hold it for a couple of seconds, let go, then you'll see a graphic, you'll know it's booting. And I've already preloaded all the games that came with it on a new faster card because the card it ships with is horrible, super slow. Then you start off with a menu. It's scanning all the games that's on the disc. You can see all the different gaming systems it supports. All games, what does it say? 31,313, 31313. And then I've set some favorites. A button to select. A bunch of Mario Brothers, Galaga, and Asteroids, games I grew up with. So if I want to add a new favorite, like Nintendo, you select it, but don't hit A to start it. Just hold Y for a couple of seconds, and it should get added to your favorites. And you can see it has a star now. So when I go up to my favorites, it's there and it's easy to find. But if I decide I don't want it, like Dr. Mario, just hit the Y from the favorites menu, and it gets removed. Then B is always to back. So to launch a game, well, let me go through some settings first. There's some settings here, I'll just run down them quick. Display settings, there's not much there. ARKOSclone settings, you don't need to go on any of these. Sound settings, maybe. Scraper is how I added like the little box art. When you hover over a game, it'll show you like a graphic. Everyone that I could find, it's through a login, but I'll show you. If I hit Scraper, you'd have to be connected to the internet, but I created an account on this website called Screen Scraper and passwords. You don't need to do it unless you're adding games, but that's what that is. And if you want to quit, you go down here. You can see your battery, the sound is 94%, brightness is all the way on. Wi-Fi is on, but you'd have to change to your Wi-Fi and your username and password. If you were here, it would connect. Okay. What else is here? I think that's about it. So if you're in a game, so I'm going to go to my favorites, and I'll put in Super Mario Brothers. This one, not the Lost. I'm just going to save the state. Select X. Save state. Oh, select X. Oh, it says save state in slot 0, 1,500 points. So now if I exit, you bring up this. Oh, you're back. No, how do I get out? Oh, I double button. If you don't like where you're at, you can just double button twice. It'll say hit again to exit. And now when I go back in, let's see if I can load this state. So can I just do it now? Load state. So you got to hit save state, which is kind of weird. Load state. Yeah, and now I'm back to where I was. 1,500. Okay, so to exit again, press again to quit. So I'm out. What else? There's more things than that, but that gets you going. You know how to save a favorite, how to load a favorite. Just go to the favorites. And I think that I have this overclocked a little bit, but it's the fastest of this series. So I'm going to go back. So I'm going to quit and get out. It's not the power button. You just go down to quit. And here you can see the battery's at 100%, sound 95, brightness 100%, Wi-Fi's on. Now that just says it's enabled, the signal kind of, but then you have to go to another place. I can't remember where it's at. You can Google it, YouTube it, and you could actually change the username and password and connect to your Wi-Fi. But I'm just going to quit. I'm just going to shut down the system. Yes, that's the proper way to shut down. But if you get stuck, you can just hold in this power button for like 9 or 10 seconds. It shuts down, or this reset button to get out of a game. That's it. Here's the SD card. It's hard to pop out. You can get like a little, like a pen or something if you don't have fingernails like me. And then, let me see if I can do it. Oh, there it pops out. It goes words up like this, letters and numbers and words. Put it back in. And again, sometimes without nails, it's hard to pop in. And that's it, really. Any questions? Give me a call.